Today, Sad and I are going to make some delicious glazed carrots. Usually food in its simplicity is what we enjoy the most, but sometimes to bring it to a different level is so much fun as well as delicious. Now here we're gonna peel the carrots, and the way you do it is you constantly rotate as you go down with the blade. Here we placed all the peels, and now the next step is to cut the ends off the carrots. And it's a good thing when you do something like this is to first peel them all, then cut the ends off, and then cut them into sections. It just makes the job quicker and easier and more clean. Here are the ends, and the chickens will be absolutely very happy and elated to get this nice treat. Next, we're going to cut them at a diagonal, and we're going to cut them about this thick. Try to stay as consistent as possible. And we'll finish preparing these while the oven is preheating outside. We will give them a quick rinse, and then we'll get to the next step. Let's pour the carrots into this pan. We'll put some butter into it, some brown sugar, as well as some salt to taste, and some water. And we will place this in the oven covered up. Let's give it a quick stir. The water is gonna kind of steam the carrots, and then once the water evaporates, it's gonna caramelize right here with the sugar and the butter. Cover the carrots with a lid, although it doesn't quite match. I couldn't find another one, and place it inside the oven. Now that they've been allowed to simmer here for about 4 minutes, we're gonna uncover it so the water can evaporate and they can begin to caramelize. Let's pull them out, and you see in here, all the water has evaporated, and now there's this beautiful caramelization that is happening, and we are almost ready to pull them out. So it's important to stir them once in a while, since the heat is also coming from above, so that they don't burn. I think they're almost ready. Of course, this could be done on the stovetop, but we always try to push the ovens to the limit and see what it is that we can actually prepare in there. I want to see a little bit more caramelization before we pull them out. I believe they're ready to come out, and oh yes, I can definitely see some signs of caramelization, which will give these carrots an amazing flavor. And here we go. Look at these beautiful caramelized carrots, and we just brought them to a delicious new level. And I am going to taste some and wish you un buon appetito.